Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Clayton here with Duval Family Outdoors. Before we get started, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. It really helps us out, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss another upload. So today, this will be part 2 of the food plot video. If you haven't, I suggest you go and watch our first food plot video. I'll drop the link right here. We have some potential rain in the forecast. Here in southern Oklahoma, it hasn't rained in well over a month now. We are very dry, but there's a light at the end of the tunnel, hopefully. We've got some potential rain coming up the first part of this coming week. But we're going to go ahead and plant. If it doesn't rain, we have a backup plan on how we're going to get water out here to water it. But hopefully that doesn't have to happen. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down, and we're gonna mix up our seed, put it in a broadcast seeder, and we're gonna get to planting.
Okay, so we've got oats, buckwheat, clover, some rapeseed, peas, soybeans, and we've already got radishes in there, and then turnips. We added some turnip seed in there too. It's just a really good winter variety that'll do good and that the deer will love, and we've kind of just made our own concoction really, so it's not really one that you could buy.
Alright, well, we have the seed mixed up. We're here at the big plot, if I didn't say that yet, but we have the seed mixed up. We're gonna mix it into our broadcast seeder. I'll show you what that is real quick. This is an electronic broadcast seeder. It's got a variable speed controller on it. Alright, well, the big food plot is planted. We've got to come back with a drag and drag all this out so we've got good seed to soil contact, and it kind of helps spread all that seed out a little bit better. Now all we have left is we've got to put up a hot wire fence around the food plot to keep the cows out. That's the best way that we've found to keep cows out, is just put up a temporary hot wire around it. Because we do graze this in the after deer season's over. We'll go ahead and let cows in here and let them graze so they can get some winter forage as well. I think that is gonna do it for this food plot. I'll show you guys once we get the fence put up. I'm not gonna bore you with all that stuff, but I'll show y'all once we get the fence put up, just kind of give you an idea of what we do, and then we'll be on to the next food plot. Alright, so this is our hot wire reel. It's just a poly hot wire, but we use just these single loop Gallagher stakes. It's really easy to throw one of these up just in a hurry or whatever, but our cows are trained to these hot wires. This is what we use on them. It was really easy to just throw this up real quick around the food plot, and that'll keep them out. Alright, if you guys watched our first food plot video, this is that first plot that we fixed, that we worked up. I've got the spreader loaded, or I've got the broadcaster loaded up with seed. We ran out of seed on that first plot, kind of underestimated the amount that it was going to take. So we went back to the barn and actually mixed up our own. This has turnips, radishes, the brassica rapeseed, which is a very unfortunate name for a seed. Winter beans, cowpeas, some small sunflower, chicory, and clover. So, and quite a bit of oats. So this, I mean, for us just mixing seed ourselves and kind of just throwing some stuff in there, I feel like this is going to turn out pretty good. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and broadcast this, and then we'll get on to the next food plot. We gotta go seed one more food plot, and then we're gonna come back and drag all 3 of them. And then I gotta pull some trail camera cards, and I may throw some pictures in at the end of this video, so you guys definitely stay tuned to the end. So I'm zoomed in all the way with this lens, but I don't know if you can see it, but there's a wood duck sitting right there in that shade. It is definitely getting, doesn't feel like it outside, but we are definitely getting closer to that season. But that is awesome. This pond always has quite a few wood ducks on it, but I thought that was pretty cool. All right, so I'm at the 3rd food plot. I didn't show you guys working this one up. I feel like it may have been too long a video, and this video actually might end up being a little too long, but that's okay. This is the food plot. If you're wondering why we have fencing around every one of our food plots, all of my food plots are in our cattle pastures. That's really where I hunt. I hunt in our pastures. I've got a tree stand right over here. You might be able to see the ladder. There's a pond right here, and their bedding area is kind of several hundred yards back into that timber. I get a lot of really good deer activity through here. But anyway, I'm gonna hop on the 4-wheeler. We've got the same seed mix from the last food plot. I'm gonna hop on the 4-wheeler, spread this one, and then we'll get to dragging all 3 of them again. So we've broadcasted the seed in all 3 food plots. Now we went and got our harrow, which is just a drag. All you need to do is just drag the ground and get that seed nice and covered up. All right, so we're gonna drag all 3 food plots, and I'll talk to y'all once we're done. Hey guys, sitting here editing this video and I realized I forgot to record an outro. But I hope you enjoyed the food plot video series. We were sitting at 2 weeks away from bow season. We're both really excited. I've still got to get a couple more blinds out and set up. It's here, y'all. I mean, it's hunting season. But as promised, as this video is ending, there'll be some trail camera pictures. There wasn't very many, but I'll show you what I got. God bless each and every one of you, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.